What does it mean to be successful and wealthy? Is it about having $1 billion in the bank or being content with what you have? Let's pause there for a moment. Success and wealth, two words that are often used interchangeably, yet they mean different things to different people. For some, success might be about achieving a high-flying career, while for others, it could be about having a loving family. Similarly, wealth might mean having a lot of money for some, and for others, it could mean having rich experiences and a fulfilling life. It's important to realize that there's no one-size-fits-all definition of success and wealth. It's personal, it's unique. It's about setting your own goals, charting your own path, and not being swayed by someone else's idea of success or wealth. Your journey is yours alone. So define what success and wealth mean to you. Remember, your definition of success and wealth is personal and unique to you. Then did you know that your mindset plays a crucial role in your journey to success and wealth? The power of mindset is something often overlooked, yet it's the driving force behind the success stories we admire. Consider the likes of Thomas Edison, who, after countless failed attempts, invented the practical electric light bulb, or J.K. Rowling, who faced multiple rejections before Harry Potter became a global phenomenon. What they had in common was a growth mindset, the belief that abilities and intelligence can be developed. A growth mindset encourages us to embrace challenges, to persist in the face of setbacks. It tells us that effort is the path to mastery, and that criticism is a chance for learning, not a personal attack. It reminds us that the success of others is not a threat, but a source of inspiration. So cultivate that growth mindset. Remember, a positive and growth-oriented mindset can be your most powerful asset. Setting goals is like setting a GPS for your life. But how do you set effective goals? The answer is by making them smart, specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Let's break it down. Specific means your goal is clear and well-defined. Measurable signifies your ability to track your progress and know when you've reached your destination. Achievable means it's within your capabilities, while relevant ensures it aligns with your broader life objectives. Lastly, time-bound sets a deadline to keep you focused and motivated. But here's the thing, having a goal is just the start. To make it a reality, you need a plan. A roadmap, if you will. This plan should detail the steps you'll take, the resources you'll need, and the milestones you'll aim to reach along the way. It's your strategy for success. Remember, a goal without a plan is just a wish. Wealth is not about how much you earn, but how much you keep. A powerful statement, isn't it? And it rings true in the world of financial literacy. You see, understanding basic financial concepts is more than just knowing how to add and subtract numbers. It's about making informed decisions that will help your money grow and secure your financial future. Think about it like this. Imagine your finances as a road trip. You wouldn't set off without a map or a clear idea of where you're going, right? That's where budgeting comes in. It's your financial roadmap guiding you towards your goals while keeping you on track. And what about saving? Well, consider it as your emergency kit, ensuring you're prepared for any bumps along the way. But we don't just want to get by. We want to thrive. That's where investing wisely comes into play. It's like choosing the scenic route where your money works for you, potentially multiplying over time. Remember, financial literacy is the first step towards building wealth. Success is no accident. It's hard work, perseverance, and love of what you are doing. Let's delve into the tales of those who have walked this path before us. Take Thomas Edison, for instance. His relentless pursuit to invent the electric light bulb led him through thousands of failed attempts. Yet he viewed each of these not as a failure, but as a step closer to his goal. Similarly, Colonel Sanders faced rejection over 1,000 times before his recipe for Kentucky Fried Chicken was accepted. These stories underline one crucial fact. Success isn't birthed overnight. It's a product of constant effort, unwavering persistence, and an insatiable hunger for progress. This brings us to the concept of the grind. It's about committing to your goal every single day with an unyielding spirit. It's about pushing through the challenges, the setbacks, and the doubts. Remember, the journey to success is often a marathon, not a sprint. So buckle up, keep going, and never lose sight of your goals. In a world that is constantly changing, the ability to adapt and learn is more important than ever. You see, success isn't a static state, it's a dynamic journey, and adaptability is the vehicle that keeps you moving forward. It's about being flexible when faced with new challenges, about pivoting when a plan isn't working, and about being open to new ideas that can drive you forward. But adaptability alone isn't enough. It needs to be paired with continuous learning, a lifelong commitment to personal development. This doesn't just mean attending seminars or reading books, but also learning from your own experiences, both successes and failures. So how can you cultivate these traits? Start by adopting a growth mindset. Embrace change instead of fearing it. Seek out new experiences and different perspectives. Challenge yourself and step out of your comfort zone. Remember, it's the small, everyday learnings that accumulate into substantial growth over time. Stay curious, stay adaptable, and never stop learning. No one achieves success in a vacuum. It's all about the people you meet along the way. When we talk about success, we often focus on individual traits like ambition, persistence, and intelligence. But let's not forget that our relationships play a crucial role too. The path to success is paved with connections, collaborations, and mutual support. Think of it this way: your network is like a garden. To grow and flourish, it needs regular attention and care. Start by planting seeds, that is, initiating conversations and making new contacts. Be genuine and show interest in what others do. Then, nurture these seeds. Keep in touch, provide help when you can, and don't be afraid to ask for help too. And just like a garden, your network needs variety. Connect with people from different fields and backgrounds. They can provide fresh perspectives and help you see opportunities you might otherwise miss. Remember, your network is your net worth. Failure is not the opposite of success, it's part of success. We often view failure as a dead end, a sign that we've lost our way. But let's flip the script on that perception. In reality, failure is an integral stepping stone on the path to success. Consider the story of Thomas Edison. Before he successfully invented the light bulb, he faced thousands of failed attempts. Instead of being disheartened, he famously said, "I have not failed, I've just found 10,000 ways that won't work." He understood that each failure was simply a lesson, guiding him closer to his ultimate goal. Or take J.K. Rowling, the author of the beloved Harry Potter series. Before her Wizarding World took off, she faced numerous rejections from publishers, but she didn't let that stop her. She continued to believe in her story, and, well, the rest is history. So let's not fear failure. Instead, let's embrace it, learn from it, and use it as fuel to drive us forward. Remember, every setback is a setup for a comeback. Success is not just about making money, it's also about enjoying life and maintaining a healthy work-life balance. The hustle and grind can be exhilarating, but it's equally important to step back, recharge, and indulge in the simple joys of life. Imagine a scale, one side weighted with your professional aspirations and the other with your personal happiness. A tilt too far in either direction might topple the balance. So how do we maintain equilibrium? Firstly, make time for yourself. Whether it's a hobby, exercise, or simply a quiet moment with a cup of coffee, these can be your islands of tranquility in the storm of ambition. Secondly, learn to delegate. You don't have to do everything yourself. Trusting your team can free up your time and reduce stress. Finally, remember that it's okay to unplug. Digital detoxes can be a great way to recharge and refocus. Remember, all work and no play makes Jack a dull boy. We make a living by what we get, but we make a life by what we give. A profound statement that encapsulates the essence of giving back. An often overlooked aspect of success is the joy and fulfillment derived from making a positive impact on others. Philanthropy, volunteering, mentorship, these are not just noble pursuits, they are integral to a wealthy life. They enrich our experiences, broaden our perspectives, and instill a sense of purpose. And what about continuous improvement? It's the secret sauce that keeps us moving forward. It's about constantly evaluating our progress, learning from our experiences, and making the necessary adjustments. It's about setting new benchmarks, embracing challenges, and shattering our own records. It's about staying hungry for more, staying curious, and never settling for mediocrity. Strategies to stay motivated: set clear, measurable goals, celebrate the small victories, surround yourself with positivity, and always remember why you started. Remember, success is a journey, not a destination. Keep improving and keep giving back.